Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we break down the best products for your home, lifestyle, and everything in between. And today, we're looking at what might just be the best platform bed frame in the queen size category, the Hafenpo 14-inch queen bed frame. If you're looking for a bed frame that combines strength, style, and storage, this one checks all the boxes. Let's dive in. The Hafenpo bed frame comes with a minimalist design that doesn't scream for attention but still manages to elevate the look of your bedroom. With a sleek black powder-coated finish, it has a clean and modern aesthetic that easily complements most room decors. And because of its lightweight yet sturdy structure, it's easy to move around if you ever need to rearrange your space. Now let's talk construction. This isn't just your average metal frame. It's built with high-quality steel that offers a solid foundation, reinforced with additional legs to ensure stability and prevent any structural twisting. That means less wobble, more confidence, and it's rated to support up to 1,100 pounds. So yes, it's got serious strength. One of the standout features is how quiet this bed frame is. It's engineered with metal tube support that minimizes noise during movement. So if you're someone who tosses and turns at night or shares your bed with a partner, this is going to be a game changer in keeping your nights peaceful. The Hafenpo Queen bed frame comes with all the hardware and tools you need right in the box. The instructions are clear, the process is straightforward, and there's no need for a box spring, saving you both time and money. It's as close to plug and play as a bed frame can get. And then there's the under-bed storage. With a 14-inch height profile, you get plenty of space underneath for storage bins, luggage, or anything else you want to tuck away. Whether you're furnishing your first apartment, upgrading your guest room, or simply looking for something sturdier and more space-efficient, the Hafenpo delivers on every front. To sum it up, strong construction, noise-free design, easy assembly, and extra storage. The Hafenpo 14-inch queen bed frame proves that you don't need to sacrifice functionality for style. That's it for today's product deep dive. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews from Product Critique. Let us know in the comments what product you want us to break down next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.